Traders, welcome back to another Relentless recap. Today we had the FOMC meeting and a rate hike decision of 25 basis points. Guys, the fight against inflation is on and the Fed is staying strong. Despite the banking crisis, despite Silicon Valley Bank, Credit Suisse, and First Republic Bank, the Fed is staying firm. Inflation is still high. If they pause the increase of interest rates, of course, the consumers, the everyday person like you and I, will still feel the backlash, right? At the grocery stores, on gas prices, on mortgage rates. So they have to do whatever is necessary to ensure a safe return to that lower target of 2%. So they'll do what they must. And likewise, we will do what we must to ensure success here in our day trading. And so we traded FRC and we really went crazy going to the short side. FRC in this first drop right here is where we really made our money. And, I will say I was a little disappointed that things changed in terms of the sentiment, right? So we had the SPY, and if we quickly come up here, we had the SPY leading the way. Right? So if we look at SPY, let's pull FRC right here. They all had identical charts, and so we had sympathy momentum on FRC as the SPY was leading the way. TQQQ as well. One of the things that was disappointing, as I was mentioning, was that this FRC ultimately broke apart and started doing its own thing. And in fact, it was moving before the SPY would move. And so when this bounce came right here, this is where it happened. It started just moving before the SPY would move. And so, ultimately the edge that was there for the sympathy was gone. And so there's a lot of price action trading. I'm going short on most of these trades, just like how I would when a stock is going up, when I'm scalping in out. That's what I'm doing to the short side here. So if we come on down to the main screen, we can put on show trades, and let's come over here and switch back. We can put on our show trades. There we go. Yeah, we can put on our show trades, and you guys will see I'm very active here, right? Now, when 2 p.m. hit here, right, market time, I did make the mistake of trading Credit Suisse, right, CS, thinking that one would follow the SPY more closely, but I was mistaken. So when the SPY started to rip, I went long 5,000 shares on CS, and it was a mess. This thing did not move. It went from 92 to 94. It really did not follow through versus FRC, which went from a low here of 1534 to a high of 1630. So I did unfortunately mess up, and it was a little indecisive, right? We're up, then we're down, and so it was a little messy. But like yesterday, today I'm not going to get too much into the detail of the trades. I'm just going to say price action trades, and of course going short as we're selling off, right? Of course, buying in hopes that the stock would go down is what got us our green today. So, Relentless Trader does it all, and it is a flat day. If we didn't see the discrepancy between FRC and the SPY, I think we could have gotten ourselves up a little bit more in the green, but unfortunately, again, it started doing its own thing. So in terms of the loss that we had today, JAN was the one that did it to us. And, we've been starting red almost every day this year, which, it's not fun, but I get it. Sometimes it happens. But we got to be a little bit more careful, I think, in how we are taking on the risk, because right now small caps once again are having some trouble. So JAN, I'm long right here, 2,200. And then I add, I'm up to about 7,000 between these two candles here. And I'm watching for a red to green. And it doesn't need to be a quick, sudden red to green, but if we can see something over a couple of candles here, this white line, like we had right here, this is exactly what I wanted to see. But unfortunately, with this red candle here, it chops me out. So I'm green on this trade, about $200 on realize before it pulls back and then chops me out and then surge. So a little disappointing there. But yeah, so that was essentially the day. For those of you wondering about this white line up here, I am standing up right now, testing out this standing desk finally. I don't have my longer cables yet, but I've made a bit of a makeshift platform for some of my plugs, so everything is a little bit more elevated under the desk. But yeah, so we'll see what happens with this, and maybe we go without the green screen. I don't know. We'll probably do that tomorrow if we need to. But yeah, feeling good. For those of you who will be here, don't forget 9 a.m. That's when we'll be live. Looking forward to another beautiful day. All right, so stay safe, stay green. Don't be scared when you see these rate hike decisions. It's all a matter of understanding, right? We have to be competent. Even as small cap traders, it's good to know what's going on with the overall market, right? It's why they'll make us take economics, which is to me one of the better classes that we'll take in school. So yeah, guys, take it easy, stay safe, stay green. Hit that thumbs up. Of course, if you are interested in MMU, the Merciless Markets, my day trading course, be sure to sign up before the end of the month, where you guys can utilize code MADNESS in honor of March Madness, the basketball tournament here in the States, which goes absolutely crazy. All right, code MADNESS will get you guys 40% off before the month is over. Be quick. All right. Again, you can always take a look at our curriculum without signing up. You can come on the website and then come on down, and you guys will have a look into what's happening. All right. With that being said, stay safe, stay green. It's been Relentless Trader. Hope you guys did enjoy this quick recap here. We'll be back tomorrow, bright and early. Stay safe, stay green. I'm signing out.